Summer's over, let's get into the fall cocktails. Welcome back. Today we're going to create a Clover Club. Now, the Clover Club was actually created in Philadelphia in the late 1800s. It fell out of favor and when Prohibition struck, unfortunately, much like a lot of classics. But in the late 20th century, and even going into the early 21st century, right around late 2000s, this cocktail came back to prominence through Gaz Reagan as well as Julie Reiner, who actually created a bar in Brooklyn named after this very cocktail, the Clover Club. I don't know if it's still in operation. I haven't done that much research on it, but I've had this once before. Let's get into this. A key ingredient is raspberry. This is raspberry syrup. This is a 2-part sugar, 1 part water, half part raspberries that I cooked up. I'll show how to create that in another video, but this is a good component of it. You could actually do fresh raspberries and simple to create a miniature syrup, but I like doing this for a little bit less hassle to clean up. Okay, need a lemon, a lemon, give it a slice. Okay, that's fine. Round 1. I need a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Ragamuffin, put that off to the side. And now I need a 1/2 ounce of my raspberry syrup. If you want to use fresh, I would recommend 2 or 3 raspberries and a 1/4 ounce of simple, but that's also just a rough guess. I wouldn't know entirely correctly. Now I need gin. 2 ounces of gin. I'm using Aviation. Ford's, Beefeater, Tanqueray, anything will work just fine. I'm using Aviation because I've used Tanqueray last couple times with gin. And I don't know why I did that. Well, actually I know, because I'm an idiot. So there's the ounce, there's a 1/2 ounce. I need another 1.5 ounces. 2 ounces gin. Now, that's all the alcohol and the liquid portion of this. Put to the side. Now we need an egg. This is like another sour, like the whiskey sour, among others. We need an egg white. There we go. Egg white into the large tin. Okay, toss it away. I'm gonna go ahead and get a paper towel, wipe up some of this stuff. Now I need to do a dry shake. Be careful with this again, as I told you in the whiskey sour and the Rainbow's Gin Fizz episodes. Be careful. Get this, line it up. I haven't done this on this, but give it a pop. Gonna wipe off just a little bit off the side. Now let's do our dry shake. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that'll do. Just a little quick thing. Pour that back in, nice and silky. Now, Big Rock in. Add your dry shaken cocktail. Give it a pop. You know it. Outstanding. About 12-15 seconds on shakes as always. Grab yourself a Nicanor, Hawthorne strainer, in, and strain. Garnish on this. The good garnish for this would be some raspberries on a pick. Just slice them through, place them on top. Completely fine. Maybe a raspberry and a mint leaf would be fine. I don't have them, sorry, but if you want to try and treat this as another type of sour, if you have a fruit-based bitters, maybe do a couple drops of those. But the typical one would just be raspberries on a pick and laid right on top. The Clover Club. Cheers. Ooh. Yes, the choice of the gin does make a little bit of difference. I've heard you should go more of London dry style like a Tanqueray. I went the New American style just because I wanted a little bit more of a pop and it's completely fine in this. The raspberry is just, it's right there. The gin holds it. You have the gin, raspberry. The lemon is, it's bolstering, you know, it's bolstering the other flavors. And the egg white, really the reason why you put an egg white in is to turn a drink, instead of just being straight liquid, like water or your spirit or your syrup, it actually adds a different texture, a more silk-like texture in terms of taste and mouthfeel. It's a really good cocktail. I like this. I do. Very much so. If you liked the video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Please, let's get this going a little bit. You can find me on my socials right here. I try to be on my personal YouTube channel on Saturday nights, 8 p.m. Not always there, but you know, keep a lookout. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on this channel, there are links down in the description below. They are affiliate links, so if you make a purchase, I will make a bit of a commission off of that. I do appreciate it. Until next time, thank you for watching. I hope you're back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.